6. Oleander. Take a look at this flower. Bright, colorful, elegant. It's easy to see why so many people plant it in their gardens. This is oleander, a flowering shrub that's found in warm climates all over the world. But it didn't start out that way. Oleander is native to the Mediterranean region, the Middle East, and Southwest Asia. Over time, it spread across nearly every warm region on Earth. One reason is its incredible resilience. Scorching heat? No problem. Poor, rocky soil? It still thrives. Weeks without rain? Oleander keeps growing. It looks like the perfect garden plant. But looks can be deceiving. Almost every part of this plant is poisonous. The leaves, the stems, the flowers, even its milky sap. They all contain two powerful toxins, oleandrin and nerine. These toxins don't attack your muscles or your stomach first. They target your heart. More specifically, the electrical signals that keep your heartbeat perfectly synchronized. Once those signals are disrupted, your body begins to react. Nausea, vomiting, a dangerously slow heartbeat, confusion, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. But here's something even more surprising. Oleander doesn't become safe after it dies. Its dried leaves are still toxic, and if the branches are burned, the smoke can carry poisonous compounds into the air. Meaning, you don't even have to eat the plant to be exposed to its toxins. Beautiful, common, and hiding one of the most dangerous chemical defenses in the plant kingdom. 5. Lily of the valley. Small, white, bell-shaped flowers, delicate enough to look like they belong in a fairy tale. This is lily of the valley, one of the most recognizable woodland flowers in the world. It naturally grows in the cool forests of Europe, Asia, and parts of North America. Every spring, its tiny white flowers bloom beneath the shade of tall trees, filling the forest with a sweet, unforgettable fragrance. For centuries, people have associated this flower with purity, renewal, and happiness. But appearances can be deceiving, because hidden inside this beautiful plant is a powerful chemical defense. Its flowers, its leaves, and even its bright red berries all contain compounds known as cardiac glycosides. These toxins target the heart. If someone accidentally eats any part of the plant, the first symptoms may seem mild: nausea, blurred vision. But as the toxins spread, the heartbeat can become dangerously irregular. And in severe cases, the heart may begin to fail. Here's the surprising part. The very same type of compounds has also helped save countless lives. Scientists have used similar cardiac glycosides to develop medications for certain heart conditions. So how can the same chemical heal one person and kill another? The answer is the dose. In medicine, it's carefully measured. In nature, there are no such guarantees. 4. Foxglove. Tall, elegant, and impossible to miss. This is foxglove, one of Europe's most iconic wildflowers. It's native to Western and Central Europe, where it grows naturally, along forest edges, rocky hillsides, and open meadows. Its towering stalks, covered with bell-shaped flowers, can bloom in shades of purple, pink, or white. For centuries, its unusual beauty has inspired artists, gardeners, and countless stories. One of the most famous legends gave this flower its name. People believed tiny fairies hid inside these blossoms, using them as tiny gloves or magical hats. That's why it became known as foxglove. It's a beautiful story, but the real plant is far more dangerous. Unlike many poisonous flowers, foxglove doesn't rely on a painful sting or a toxic smell. Its poison is hidden inside the plant itself. The leaves, the flowers, and even the seeds, they all contain natural compounds called digitalis. In small, carefully controlled doses, digitalis can help the heart beat more efficiently, That's why modern medicine still uses compounds derived from foxglove to treat certain heart conditions. But outside a hospital, it's a very different story. Swallowing just a few leaves or flowers can overwhelm the body's cardiovascular system. At first, you may feel dizzy. Your vision may become blurred. Some people experience hallucinations. Then the heartbeat begins to slow or beat irregularly. And without immediate treatment, the poisoning can become fatal. Foxglove reminds us of something extraordinary. Sometimes, the same plant can become either a life-saving medicine or a deadly poison. The only difference is how it's used. These 3 flowers prove something extraordinary. That in nature, beauty can sometimes hide something deadly. But these are only 3 of them. 3 more are still waiting. And some may be even more dangerous. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, leave a like and subscribe to Flora Uncovered for more secrets hidden in the natural world. We'll see you in part 2.